Ciao, my name is Rossella. I'm Italian and I have created this channel to help you improve your Italian and become fluent and confident at it. If this is your aim, subscribe to my channel to be the first to see my next output. Each video will include revision time, memo time, and quick and fun games so you can practice your knowledge. If you want me to help you with something, leave me a message and I will make a video on the topic of your choice. Today, I'm going to talk about the verbs to go and to do, andare and fare. Verbo andare. Io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. I repeat it again. Io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Now more fluently. Io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. As for the other verbs, egli and essi could be replaced with the feminine version of it, so esse or ella and so forth. In school we learn it in the masculine version, but we know that it's interchangeable. So again, io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Now pause the video and try to practice it to make your version as fluent as mine. How was it? Better? Let's move on. And now, let's say it aloud without looking at the screen, if you can. I say it one more time. Io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Pause the video and practice it as many times as you can. We know that this is the answer for all your problems with the verbs in Italian. Verbs are very tricky and tiring, but they are so essential that it's important to make them fluent. So the more fluent you are memorizing it and saying it aloud, the more fluent you become at making sentences. So, say it one more time without looking at the screen. Io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Now, game time. Complete the sentence with the right verb. Essi vanno. Tu vai. Noi andiamo. Io vado. Voi andate. Do you know it better? Let's check. Io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Say it one more time. And now, try to get even faster. Io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. We can also split it in two halves. So, io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. One very last time. Io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Okay, don't worry, we'll go back to it later on in the video. Now, let's move on to the verb fare, to do. So that's another very important one. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Let's say it again. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Pause the video if you need and repeat it as many times as you want. I will say it a bit quicker this time. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Now, as usual, say it without looking at the screen. Can you? Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. As I said for the verb to be and to have, essere e avere, the more fluent you say it when you memorize it, the more fluent you will be when creating sentences, when speaking in Italian, because our ears and our brain need to familiarize with the sound of it more than anything else. And if you make it rhythmical, if you make it musical, you get familiar with it and you will be able to create sentences quicker and to feel more comfortable with the sound of it. So insist on repeating aloud the verbs as many times as you can. This is the way we learn it at school. So again, io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Feel the rhythm of it. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Can you hear the waves? One more time. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. Okay, game time. As usual, complete the conjugation. Essi fanno. Be sure that you emphasize the double consonant, fanno, not fano, because sometimes the words have different meanings depending on the number of consonants. So make sure that you say fanno, because this makes also your Italian more fluent. Voi fate. Noi facciamo. Tu fai. How do you feel? Fluent? Now, let's compare the two verbs, andare and fare. Io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. In this slide, I have highlighted two important parts of any verb. The underlined parts are called desinenza. The non-underlined is the root, the radice, which remains always the same. In this case, there are irregular verbs, so it isn't. But what is important here is the desinenza. That is the same. First singular person is ho, hai, ha, iamo, ate, hanno. If you add this to any root, radice, of any verb, you would be able to conjugate any verb easily and confidently. So make sure that you have this scheme in your mind. Ho, hai, ha, iamo, ate, hanno. So again, vado, vai, va, andiamo, andate, vanno. Faccio, fai, fa, facciamo, fate, fanno. Now, this is an unusual way of conjugate a verb because we always include the subject. So, io vado, tu vai, egli va. Noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Io faccio, tu fai, egli fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, essi fanno. How do you feel? Confident? Fluent? If not, go back to the beginning of the video and practice again. What you need is only to practice and to make your ears familiarize with the sound of the verbs, at least the most used ones. And my last tip for today is the usual one. Repeat as many times as you can. Per oggi è tutto. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can have many more chances to improve your Italian. Ciao ciao!